issue here, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but the theory is that these people organize a company that's illegally formed a company who is going to do illegal activities. No? So
I understand. I
yes,
understand.
Mr. Chairman, because the DOJ told us that if we're just going to rely on the articles of incorporation as a basis for filing a complaint, that will not be enough.
Mm.
So we have to gather
Not
evidence.
enough to secure a conviction. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, for
Okay.
establishing prima facie.
Okay. Eh, yun nga eh. Yung sinasabi lang nung Anti-Money Laundering Council, complaint lang eh. What we're trying to prevent is that these people actually dispose of their properties and assets because they are now a subject of an investigation, di ba? Parang ang gusto natin palabasin, para hindi sila makapag-dispose ng kanilang mga property. Alam mo, we lost a lot of time. It is already more than half of the year 2024. This anti-illegal drug operations spearheaded by you was in 2023 of October. Does it take that much time for the NBI to file and initiate the filing of a case against these suspects? Di ba? Isip, meron kang Empire 999 that owns the warehouse where the drugs are discovered. So, hindi ba ba enough? Hindi ba sufficient yun?
According to the Department of Justice, Mr. Chairman, that's not enough.
And so when they advised you that that is not enough.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So DOJ yan.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So sino sa DOJ nag-advise sa inyo yan?
Uh, the task force on illegal drugs, they required us to secure a warrant for the disclosure of data and to coordinate with the Chinese embassy. Marami sir ang pinagawa so that we could not file it. And because of DC-20, Mr. Chairman, that's not filing of a complaint. That's for purposes of evaluation. That's not yet a complaint. A complaint is when they said you may file this for preliminary investigation. That's the only time we can file it for purposes of preliminary investigation, and that's I think what they need.
So yung filing of an information sa DOJ will not result to a preliminary investigation?
Yung ginawa po namin is for purposes of evaluation lang po in compliance with DC-20. So they have the final say whether you were going to file it for preliminary investigation.
Congressman Nakop?
Yeah. Uh, Attorney Galicia, I have here a copy of the letter of Undersecretary Raul Vasquez. Di ba? Tama po yung sinasabi ninyo na undergoing evaluation. Pero dito po sa sulat ni Undersecretary Vasquez, nakalagay dito na the National Prosecution Service, Office of the Secretary of Justice Prosecution Staff, is currently evaluating the said complaint and its annexes. Pero meron siyang pasubali. In this regard, the NBI has yet to comply with the requested documents before the same could be docketed and assigned to an investigating prosecutor. So until and unless NBI would submit the requested documents by the DOJ, hindi po kikilos ito. Di po ba?
Mr. Chairman, that's why the agent on case is working with the assigned prosecutor of this case. We already forwarded all the documents they needed, but they're asking for additional.
Yeah. Now, I will ask NBI, do you have the requested documents in your possession? Do you have a
No,
copy of these requested documents in your possession, the NBI?
This is the first time I read this request, Mr. Chairman.
Uh, kasi kung hindi wala sa inyong possession itong documents na hinihiling ng DOJ, hindi kayo makapagsasubmit at hindi kikilos yung kaso. Kasi yun ang inaantay ng DOJ for NBI to submit the requested documents before the same could be docketed and assigned to an investigating prosecutor.
We already submitted all the documents, Mr. Chairman.
So, wala na ito. Naibigay nyo na lahat.
Yes, Mr.
Napag-comply
Chairman.
na po kayo rito.
We have complied with it.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, before that, nandito pala yung DOJ, no? Attorney Angelica De Malanta, you're here? Attorney De Malanta? Oh, andito ka pala. Oh, can you please Okay, so Senior Deputy Speaker Dong Gonzales, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Well, I talked to Yusek Vasquez and to Dong Padulyon that they filed already the case from NBI to DOJ. And they told me that there is already an initial complaint. So that's why I talked to AMLAC kung yun di po pwede na. Yun po ang sabi. So kung halimbawa may additional na dokumento, that is just a supplemental for the complaint. So that complaint can use by AMLAC. Yun po ang sinasabi natin. Kung aantayin po natin, walang mangyayari sa atin. Itong mga kumpanya na to, wala akong matitira sa atin. Mr. Chairman, yun ang sinasabi ko. Ang tanong ko, naka-file na ba yung initial complaint sa DOJ, NBI?
Mr. Chairman, the DOJ has the final say whether we filed it or not. So,
No. Sabi po ng DOJ sa akin, final na ng NBI sa DOJ.
yes, we did, Mr.
Okay.
Chairman.
Period. Comma. On that note, that complaint, na sinasabi yung the predicate of the case, we're still waiting. But AMLA can use already that complaint. Yun po ang sinasabi ko. Para makagalaw tayo. Ilang buwan na po tayo dito. Wala ho yung mga tao. May warrant of arrest. Ano? Hindi natin makita. Yung mga incorporators, lumipad na. May property sila dyan, parang nabenta na. Kangkungan tayo ngayon. Mr. Chairman, yun, salamat. Yun lang, salamat.
Okay.
DOJ, sorry.
Attorney De Malanta?
Mr. Chair, members of the Honorable Committee, so I would just have to clarify that I'm actually not in the prosecution service, and whatever information that I will be able to give you, it was already provided by our Mr. Vice Chair, Mr. Akop, when he provided in verbatim the
The
letter
letter.
of Undersecretary Vasquez. So yun lang din po yung malilimit ko na contribution in this committee hearing.
So you're not privy to the complaint,
No, Mr.
filed by
Chair,
the
I'm not
NBI?
with the prosecution. I'm with the Office of the Chief State Counsel po.
Mr. Chair.
Kay Dong Fadulyon.
Hindi po with Chief Fadulyon. I'm with Chief Dennis Arvin L. Chan po. So it's with the legal or the Office of the Chief State Counsel. We're not the prosecuting arm of the department, Mr. Chair.
That's the
Mr.
reason
Chairman,
why,
Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
Did you receive already the initial complaint from NBI, ma'am?
Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales, again, I wouldn't be in the position to have that information because we're not in the prosecution.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you.
may we remind our resource speakers, every time that we are inviting them, those people that they're sending on our committee hearings are not properly equipped with the knowledge of the issue that we are tackling. And that's giving us a hard time as well. So may we remind our resource speakers to send those people who are knowledgeable of the issue. Kasi sayang po yung oras natin lahat eh. For example, yan, very crucial yung mga statement manggagaling sa DOJ. I'll be asking also what document is being asked by the